Hello, I'm Adam Johnson, Planning Consultant with the Florida Department of Health in Bay County. During and following a disaster, our priorities are to ensure the delivery of medical and public health services and to provide for the emergency needs of the impacted communities. Emergency preparedness activities ensure the capability of the public health and healthcare systems to prevent, protect against, and quickly respond to health emergencies, such as wildfires, algae blooms, disease monitoring and management, and severe weather events. Is your family or family member prepared for hurricane season? At the Florida Department of Health in Bay County, we offer enhanced assistance to our special needs and older adult populations. During severe weather events or other disasters, we open a special needs shelter. A special needs shelter is a last resort for individuals who, during a mandatory or voluntary evacuation order, require assistance that exceeds the basic level of care at typical shelters, but will not require the level of skilled medical care provided at institutional facilities. If this applies to you or someone you know, pre-register for a special needs shelter by visiting snr.flhealthresponse.com. To support our vulnerable populations, our Lean On Me project assists older adults in making their disaster preparedness plans. Project staff organizes volunteers to come to your home and provide assistance in developing your disaster plan that directs you and your loved ones on how to meet your needs during severe weather or emergencies. For more information about any of our programs, please visit bay.floridahealth.gov.